So today, on this episode of Pro Tip Tuesday, if you don't want to see someone like me up on a ladder, don't use Flex Seal. Otherwise, you're going to end up paying double the price because I've got to dig out all this old material. So in this episode of What's Up Guy Garage, we're going to be addressing, I guess, what's called the Flex Seal issue. I'm going to show you why, at least in New England, Flex Seal is just no good. So in these homes, there's been actually somebody going around for the past few years and using two different types of Flex Seal, a spray on and I think either a brush on or something else that I can't quite figure out exactly what it is. But what it does is causes me to come here and revisit you with my box of goodies right here. And you can see right up here that in this corner someone had tried to use the spray on, I'm assuming, white Flex Seal, which is absolute garbage. And then inside here they actually used the Flex Seal inside the gutter to try to, I guess, seal that corner. But what happens is the Flex Seal, especially like being exposed to the sun and the elements that, you know, I guess are present around these areas, is that this stuff right here, it just doesn't work. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the process of how you got to dig out all the old junk. I'm not even going to attempt to clean this because that's going to be a whole different issue in itself. If they have me come back and clean the gutters, maybe I can address that then. Using this Flex Seal stuff, what it does is it causes someone like me to have to come in here and scrape out and take the time to clean all this old junk, because you don't want to try and stick your new stuff, which is, I use a Merrimax and it's called Seamer Mate. If you can see it right there. This stuff is available at Home Depot, but it's a Merrimax. And this stuff, this is a True Blue real gutter seal that I've been using for years. And I use it to seal drip edge to the gutter, and I also use it to obviously seam or seal the seams, which is actually what it's designed for. So now I've got to take the time and scrape all this out, use my little brush out all the debris, and then apply the Merrimax Seamer Mate. So the stuff has just become just brittle. At least while you're up here, is pay attention to the attachment screws and or bolts. And if you have any loose ones, go ahead and take care of them now before you apply the sealer. See what happens with Flex Seal over time. Some of it remains flexible, but I think what happens is that it's just the sun or the UV rays or heat or whatever it is actually turns this stuff brittle. And that's where, when you have a seam like this, it just doesn't work. You can see it right there. It says gutter seal and then whatever language that is. But it's actually designed to seal seams together, which is the case that we've got right here. Now, I cleaned up to the best of my ability without damaging the gutter. Any further cleanup with any of this other Flex Seal or whatever garbage is left in there is actually going to cause gutter damage, so you have to kind of determine when to stop. So we're going to go ahead and just attach that fastener or tighten that down, and then we're going to apply the sealer, this stuff, right in along that seam, all up along that edge, down the back edge, and right up this front edge right here. These are sometimes the hazards of the job. So while I'm up here digging everything out, I got my gloves on. I'm just ready to go ahead and apply the Seal Mate or the Seamer Mate into that section right there, and I start from top to bottom. As I bring the nozzle in there into that corner, what comes flying around my head? A hornet. And then what does the hornet do? Actually went right into that hole that you now see sealed. So yeah, hazards of the job. I'm going to kind of position this hopefully so you can see what's going on. I'm going to start from the bottom here, and I'm going to run my bead all the way up and into that little spot right there. And then take my finger, make sure you use gloves, and run my finger down so it creates a nice smooth transition. Take it again, angle it towards the gap, start to pump it into the gap itself, follow it up the line here, and then take my finger and again smooth it out just like that. Kind of see if you can fold over the edges a little bit, and you'll be able to see once I'm done here what I'm talking about as far as folding over the edges. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a secondary layer right across like this, a nice good blob of it. Now this stuff dries pretty quick. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of feather it out. Just like that. Bring it down. Bring it over. Kind of coat as much of that Flex Seal that wouldn't release without damaging the gutter, and then just feather it out just like that. And now I'll get you in there so you can see a more properly sealed gutter that isn't going to have any more issues. And this stuff cures fairly quickly. Now I'm going to actually run a bead along the top edge here, and then a bead along the top edge here, and then again smooth it in with my finger, smooth it in, smooth it down, and you can see it's already setting up right in there. And like I was saying, one of the most important things, we are doing this probably on the hottest day of the year, is wearing gloves, because you don't want this stuff right here getting onto your fingers because of what it's made from. You want to have some type of a protection between the material and obviously, you know, your skin, which is going to be the glove. And be careful, because this stuff literally will get everywhere. It's kind of almost like that Never Sees. I don't know if you can see it, but here's what the joint should look like. Or should I say, here's what the joint looks like now. Properly sealed. Right up and along the back side of the seam there. And we sealed off the little hornet hole. So that's it. Just a quick little, I guess, Flex Seal update where spend your money once. Don't waste your time with that product, because in this particular situation, me trying this stuff out for years, not Flex Seal, but using this sealer mate actually works, and it does what it's designed to do. In the 9 years that I've been doing this in this community, I haven't had one call back, except for the fact that they called me back to do more sealing. So, but as far as the repaired areas, they've all held up, and we're going on 9 years on some of my gutters right now. So I think that's a pretty good product lifetime for this Amerimax Seamer Mate. It's available at Home Depot. So thanks for watching this episode of Pro Tip Tuesday with What's Up Guy Garage. And this was just revisiting, I guess, the fact that Flex Seal, at least for this situation or this purpose, it just doesn't work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that like, share, do all that good stuff. Check out my Amazon affiliate link, and yeah, all will be appreciated. Now I gotta get out of this hot weather and wipe the sweat out of my eyes. Just subscribe. Stop killing me here. What do you think? We picked up our new rig. It's just a little one. All right, go ahead, hon. See you later.